Truck Team! Super Truck Team! Bottle! I'm the excavator, and I'm good at digging. I'm a crane. I'm very strong. I'm the bulldozer. I'm an expert at pushing the dirt. Dump truck. Road roller. Concrete mixer. We're Super Truck Team. We're not afraid of difficulties and are ready for challenges. Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off. Factory Rescue. Who should be a dump truck? Dump truck transform! Super Truck Team, let's set off! The location of the task is right ahead. Come with me. Hey! Hey! Whoa! Hey! You're finally here, Truck Team. Come with me. Oh no! Whiskers and Momo were trapped in the factory by the mudslide. Please save them quickly, Truck Team. Don't worry, you can count on us. Super Truck Team, prepare for the rescue! Whiskers is stuck under a big tree. Let's rescue him. First, let's remove the pile of stones in the tree. Be careful not to let Whiskers get hit by the broken stones when you shovel the pile of stones. My task is completed, and I will leave the task of lifting the tree to the crane. I am the crane. Let's secure the big tree with a rope before lifting it. Construction fleet, thank you for saving me. You are welcome, Whiskers. We need to rescue Momo right away. Momo is trapped in the basement. Let's rescue her right away. The entrance to the basement has been blocked by a slate. Let's remove the slate first. The slate is too large. I need to change a drill bit to break the slate. Now, let's break the slate. And then change a bucket to remove the broken stones. The entrance is wide open. I will leave the rest of the task to the crane. I am the crane, and I can lift Momo out of the basement. Drag the equipment onto the lifting hook and drop it into the basement for Momo. Help Momo put on the equipment. Gloves. Safety hat. Safety harness. Don't worry, Momo. I will help you out right away. Okay, construction fleet, I can count on you. You're awesome, truck team. Here's a badge for you. The paint has faded seriously. I need a new paint. Oh ho! Yeah! Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off. Beep. Huh? Hi. Little Panda's quiz. Let's check out how much you know. Which construction truck can lift vehicles? Bulldozer, crane, excavator. You are right! Which construction truck can mix concrete? Crane, dump truck, concrete mixer. Wrong answer, try again. That's not correct. Try again. You are right! Which construction truck has a big dump bed that can load lots of stuff? Dump truck, crane, excavator. You are right! Which construction truck has a huge iron roller in front? Bulldozer, road roller, dump truck. Wrong answer, try again. That's not correct. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck can clean up the mess on the ground? Crane, bulldozer, concrete mixer. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck can help mix concrete for paving the road? Concrete mixer, bulldozer, excavator. You are right! You've got it all correct! Great! Let's check out where the truck team is needed. Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off. Train station construction. Bulldozer. Bulldozer, transform. Super Truck Team, let's set off! Yo-ho! Let's set off to complete the task! Let's go! Truck team, come with me. A train station needs to be built here. Truck team, can you complete this task? No problem. Super Truck Team, let's get to work. Before building the train station, construct the foundation first. I'm the bulldozer. I can clean up the mess on the ground. I'm a concrete mixer. I'm here to lay the concrete. Road roller, compact the road until it is level. I'm the strong crane. I'm here to hoist the waiting room. Finally, let's build the railway tracks. I'm a dump truck. I'll help lay the stones first. I'm the excavator, and I'll lay the tracks first. I need to attach an agile grapple. Let's lay the ties now. The ties can secure the rails by supporting them. Then assemble the rails. Woohoo! Woohoo! And fasten the screws on the rails. The rails are completed! We can hoist the train on the rails! What a stylish train station! Thank you so much, Truck Team! Is flat. Can you help me replace it with a new one?